Guys, the Mosquito truck is here, and we are in, I guess you could say Seven Springs, but a little bit near Sunny's a little bit. And he's going to be over here. There he is!
Where?
Right there. There he goes. There he goes. Just got my face in it.
Better get to filming.
Damn. Why?
Better get to filming.
There he is. He's there.
Oh man, that's strong.
I know, right? It stinks. Why? Ah, it's burning my eyes. I'm gonna deal with it. Oh my god, this stuff is horrible. Look at that spray. Like, he is like spray. Oh my god. Ernie, stop. Stop, stop, stop. He's turning around. What is he doing? Don't even tell me. Oh, you better not. Oh, no. Oh, it's... Maybe. Or let me get out.
He's going, you can film.
He stops. Oh, oh no. Oh. Well, you know me.
You're throwing me off with a different car.
You want to be on camera?
It's up to you. How you doing tonight?
Who is your name?
I'm Jason.
Here's my weed.
Oh, I saw you, Jason.
Yeah, you saw me off at Shovel Creek.
Ew!
Yeah.
Oh, Melifion on the nozzle.
Grandson.
You threw me off with a different vehicle tonight.
Oh, well, yeah, I'm Grandpa.
Okay.
Can we stay here for a little while?
I can give you about 2 minutes. I got a long run tonight,
All right.
so. I got the light on for you, right?
Yeah, he's filming the whole thing. Or now he's filming the whatever.
Roots blower.
We're off next week, so you might catch us next week.
When do you quit for the year?
We don't know yet, to be honest with you. Depends on mosquito counts and the weather.
I've been trying to see what's inside there.
Do you go through all through the winter?
Oh, here we go.
This is only my second year doing it.
Okay.
Last year we quit right after Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Again, it really depends. Obviously, there have been days where the old assistant director only has to go out, thank you for Christmas or thank you for
Christmas Eve? You're kidding.
you wanted them to go out New Year's Eve one time? Come 4th of July to
There's the license plate. And here's the chemical tank. Here's the chemical tank. There's the lights. Oh!
I understand. He's got a lot to do tonight, so we got to let him get going.
Has he been studying his mosquitoes?
You have to ask him. All I know is he's crazy about the machine. He wants us to buy him a damn machine. Him and his dad. Yeah. Oh, he's seen them. They're for sale. Yeah, some Okay, come on.
Right there, or
He wants to drive the truck.
drive the truck?
He's crazy about it. It might last. I don't know. He's gone from one thing to another. A lot of different things.
Wait, what are you guys talking about? New Year's Eve? You're gonna do what?
Oh, in years past, they've tried to spray on New Year's Eve. Usually my boss doesn't like that, so.
Is your boss Dennis?
No, he's Kirk.
Sometimes they quit for the year about Thanksgiving. But it's hard to tell.
Ernie, look, come here at this pickup truck. This is the kind of headlight that I'm really liking.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. All right, let's let him get to work. Thanks a million.
Are you allowed to turn on the sprayer?
I can turn the light on for you if you want.
Oh, that one is a little faster.
Well, you're going to make YouTube, whether you like it or not.
That's all right.
I got a question though. On the side, there's this long gray thing. Is that the chemical tape?
No, the chemical thing is the box over on the other side.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah. On this side is the controller, which controls how much chemical comes out
Can I
depending on
come
our
to the
speed.
truck 1 minute? I would like. It would,
Unfortunately, not. No.
oh.
I don't know if I don't know if they'd even let you if you called up. You have our card, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
Aaron.
I don't know if you
Aaron
can call up
Rogers.
and ask them
Oh, yeah.
before a ride along. I really doubt it, but
Can you
you never know.
Can you do me a favor? Can you
Yes.
like ask them if I can, and maybe they can call us?
I can ask my boss, but I don't know if he's even going to know. You're probably going to have to call during the day, and you'd probably want to talk to Adriana. I can't remember how exactly pronounced it.
Do you
Their new
spray?
assistant director.
Do you spray tomorrow?
No, we're off tomorrow.
It's Friday tomorrow.
Yep.
Why?
Yeah, we're going to be off.
I got a question though. Why are you spraying in the cold?
That's what they told us. So.
Oh.
Yep.
Come on,
I don't
Landon.
make the decisions. So.
He said 2 minutes, and you're taking more than 2 minutes.
All right.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Y'all have a great Thanksgiving.
You too.
You can't turn on the sprayer.
I'll turn it on when I leave, okay?
All right.